Look at that. I got a mystery box and didn't even know it. Hey, what's up guys? This is Billy over here at Dillbilly HQ, and today I want to unpackage some packages that came in. A lot of you know I'm an Amazon influencer and I do a lot of brand deals. Somewhere between 100 to 200 per month is my goal. And what happens is these agencies reach out to me and say, hey, can you make a product video and post it to your Amazon influencer account? And then Amazon takes that, puts it on product pages, syndicates it out to different areas on their website at their discretion. And then when people watch it, they click on it, they watch it, they make a qualified purchase. I make a little bit of commission as a part of their kind of like their associates program. It's kind of like another piece of that. And so every day I get sent probably 5, 10, 15, sometimes even 20 packages per day. So I get UPS, USPS, FedEx, DHL, all kind of showing up at my door at different times to drop off packages. And then I bring them here to the studio, and this is where I unbox them, I check them in if I have enough time, and then I create the video. So as you can see behind me, here is a full room. So if you walk into here, you can kind of see I got a ton of products. So these shelves are full of products that I've already created videos for, and I thought it'd be interesting for the channel just to unbox some of these products that I get. Now, I know what's coming because I've negotiated the deal, I've done the deal, so to speak. I've said yes, I've committed to the video, I've committed to any type of requirements that they may have, but oftentimes it's days, maybe a day, maybe 2 days, maybe a couple of weeks before I actually get the physical product in. So I thought it'd be cool just to unbox some stuff. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of content. I'm probably going to make it because it's fun, it's something to do, and I just want to document the process of working with brands and being an Amazon influencer and all that kind of fun stuff. And it could be a plethora of things. I've not went like super niche. I know some people go niche and they go, well, I'm just a video guy, or I'm just the audio guy, or I just do microphones, or I just do cameras. I do everything. This, for instance, is a car battery recharger. I've done all kinds of stuff. Here's another product here that I have. I'll bend down and get it, that I'm getting ready to do a video on today. So I'll unbox this, I'll take it out of the packaging, and it's like some kind of gaming keyboard, mechanical gaming keyboard. Super cool. So I thought it'd be fun to unpackage these. So I get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages. I'm gonna just unbox and check out what they are, because oftentimes, like I said, I forget, and so it's kind of a fun thing for me to do. So I'm gonna put down this little gimbal here, and I'm gonna pick out my first package. And I already started opening it, and then I had the idea of like, I should document this. So I pull it out, and so basically my first thing is I pull it out and see what it is, because that's the most exciting part about this. And I can see what it is by reading the Amazon barcode here that they use, their little Amazon system. And what I do is when I do the deal, when I agree to it, I put it into my HubSpot. I use the free account, the CRM. I tag the contact on it. I put the name of the product, obviously the link, the Amazon link, and what's called an ASIN number, which usually is B0B something, 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 whatever. And then when you scan this with your iPhone, it will bring that up, and you can see, you can send it to yourself or whatever, and see that BOB code and just check it in. I don't really check in all the products. Usually I'm just check them in as I create the videos or right before I create the videos. So in today's video, I'm not going to waste time checking them in. I just want to show you some of the stuff I get. So this is a telescoping fishing rod. So it's a fishing rod that's made for traveling that will actually telescope. So let's just take a look at it. I'm just kind of curious. Sounds like some stuff is moving around in there, but let me just open it. So what I'll do is basically my whole process is I just like open it up, kind of see what comes in the package. This all comes together, so you get some fishing lures, and then it looks like it's all inside of this case. So yeah, basically this is kind of what I'll do, and then I have like an overhead shot, a front-on shot, and then a side shot if I need it, and I'll literally just pull this out, show how it works. There's a pond right near my office, so I may even go out and do a little fishing with this thing. But I'm going to pull it out just to see what this looks like. And sure enough, there you go. That's what it is, a telescoping fishing rod, and it looks like this is just a little protective thing. So anyway, not really doing any kind of product review videos here today. Just wanted to show you and take a look at what I got, which is pretty cool. It's fun to pull this stuff out, see what it is, and then I can resell all this stuff later, so the company gives it to me. There's only been one time out of literally over 1,000 products that I've been asked to send something back, and it was actually like some giant car battery, so I really didn't care to keep it, so I did send it back, but most stuff I keep. Alright, let's see what else is in the box. See what's in this big old pile. And just because it's a big box, by the way, it doesn't mean it's a big product. Now this one just happens to be a little bit bigger of a product. I've worked with this company a lot. This is a Quinier massager. They make a bunch of different types of massagers. Typically leg massagers is what they send to me. This is a hand massager. I'm not going to open it right now because I'm going to unbox it for the video. But if I remember the picture correctly, you put your hand inside of there and it massages it. I've already had to fight my wife off of opening this up earlier today because I knew what it was, because I just did this deal probably a couple days ago and agreed to it. So then what I do is I take this box and just pitch it somewhere, and I'll clean it up later. And then I have a spot on the shelf, that shelf I showed you earlier, where I'll just put stuff that needs to be shot. And really, when I had somebody working in the office with me, that was really key to the success of keeping up with products. Now I just kind of throw it in the floor next to me and go, cool, I need to shoot that. But gotta have a system, okay? So if you want to work with a lot of brands, do a lot of brand deals, this is kind of a high frequency, it's a low ticket, high frequency deal. And so I'm doing a lot of these product review videos, so I need to stay really organized. That way I can obviously get paid. So that's the whole reason I'm doing this. So let's jump into another box real quick. Got my little handy dandy box cutter. All right. And I've got a pretty decent system together. I mean, like I said, I might check these in, might not. And it's not a bad idea to check stuff in. Also, when you open up these boxes, and even know because you order stuff from Amazon, they include the little tag there. So I never really hold on to these. I guess if I really got into a pinch, I could. But if I just want to see what it is without like really taking a peek at it, I look at the product, whatever, it doesn't matter. So anyway, this is another karaoke microphone. This company has already sent me one of these. This is a Stage Sound by CoolMe. Really cool microphone. Actually, probably out of all the like little kind of plug and play karaoke Bluetooth microphones, I think I got another one somewhere in here. Let's see. I'm just gonna go in here and see if I can find it, because I gotta have that one to shoot the video with this one. Yeah, so got it, and you can connect the two and play. So I'm gonna set that out just so I remember. I think I kind of pre-pulled that out earlier because they said, hey, can you connect them? And luckily I still had it, because a lot of these products I'm just gonna sell. I'm just gonna get rid of them later. I sell them in bulk. I'm thinking about doing some mystery boxes. Let me know if you want to do some mystery boxes. Let me know in the chat, or in the comments. Maybe we can do a mystery box. All right, let's do another one here and see what we got. And this is the funny part, because I've agreed to all of these. I just don't really remember all of them. And then sometimes I will get one and then I'm like, who sent this? Sometimes I forget. Sometimes I forget to put it into my CRM, which I have like a request form that fills out, and then I import all those deals. Sometimes I didn't make it to the request form, what have you. But it's still pretty good. I mean, there's a system to be had. Now I got to figure out this unboxing system, because I'm just gonna have a bunch of trash over there. All right, let's see what this thing does. Oh, okay, this is an egg holder for a refrigerator. So this is like a universal clamp on the back, clamp on the front, egg holder. But it doesn't have like the little egg spots. I noticed that it's kind of got like 3 little troughs. Anyway, we'll see. And this is cool too. So when you open up these packages, you kind of get an idea what it is, and you start to kind of think about it a little bit more. I mean, you've seen it once, maybe you thought about it, but now I'm opening them up again. I'm being reminded, like, okay, this is an egg thing. How can I shoot it? And in my mind, starts immediately kind of going in that direction of like, how can I shoot this stuff? What is it going to look like? Blah, blah, blah. So anyway, all right, let's open up this other one. Shake it around. This one looks like it came all the way from China directly. So a lot of the stuff is fulfilled by Amazon, which it might, you know, already. I'm gonna turn my phone off here. It might already be in an Amazon warehouse, and they just whatever their process is to ship it to me. All right, look at this thing. This thing is packaged up like every piece of tape they had. This might get loud. Let's see if I can cut this open. Wow, this is probably the best packaged one I've seen. Ugh, help me. Ugh. I don't know who I was saying help me to, but here we go. Oh, good. I just got the order. I just got the order form in the looks like what do they call that when you I don't know, maybe like some kind of declaration or something of value or something like that. So, and this came from the first UPS drop today. So I had 2 UPS guys come. This was from the first one. Oh my gosh. Alright. I didn't know this was going to be this hard, or maybe I ought to pre-cut some of this. Alright, let's see. I've never had a box like this before. This is part of the pain. Everybody's like, oh, you must be easy. All you gotta do is open up boxes. See, people? And this is just the packaging box. This isn't even the... I mean, look at this. Ugh. Hold on. I'm almost there, I promise. Hold on. Just keep watching. I'm almost there. This actually probably do more damage, me trying to get it out, than if they just sent it in a regular box. Phew. Okay. Oh my gosh. All this work. My goodness. You thought they were sending me like the most valuable treasure ever. It's a 3-in-1 charging port right there. I get a lot of these, so these are kind of cool. Put your AirPods, your Apple Watch, your iPhone into these. I get a lot of these. A lot of companies are selling these, creating them, and having me do videos about them. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna throw that in the pile. Only problem is I don't have any AirPods that are wirelessly charged, so now I gotta go borrow some from my wife. She's not a big fan of that, so maybe I should just go buy some. We'll see. All right, got a couple more packages here, and then we'll be done with our first unboxing video for the Dill Billy HQ channel. By the way, if you're enjoying the content, hit that like button. No, wait. Hit that subscribe button, and then you can like it after you subscribe. But not before. No likes without subscribe. Only if you're a subscriber can you like it. Now, this is my favorite thing, okay? This is my favorite thing about... And it's really not my favorite thing. I'm being sarcastic. Look at the size of this box. So I'm going to close it up. This is what this box looks like. This is the size. This is the size of the headphones that came in it. So here you go. Here's some headphones, some wireless headphones. These are... I think I've done these before for another company. But look how ridiculous this is. Like, I don't understand why such big boxes. Luckily, I'm going to probably end up reusing these to take a lot of this stuff, put it in these boxes, and sell mystery boxes or something like that. Either directly on my website that I haven't built yet, or you know, maybe some lots on eBay or something. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. All right, last but not least, you see my little puppy dog. Check this out. This was a product I got, a custom printed dog face right there. And oddly enough, I have a Hawaiian shirt coming. They wanted a picture of me. The brand said, send us a picture. I said, okay. And they said, tell us what size shirt you wear. I was like, okay. And then they're like, we're going to send you a custom Hawaii shirt with your own face. I would probably done it with a different face, but whatever. We'll see when that comes. Maybe we can show it before we make the video. And by the way, I haven't made the video with any of these. This will be the work I do over the next couple of days, is making the video for this. And just to see this last one, which maybe this one should have been packaged like the other one. But these are a dog bowl set. So it's got the protective tray. The dog bowls just sit inside of these inserts. So if your dog's all messy, maybe it'll catch it. My dog is so messy, it probably wouldn't catch it at all. But yeah, there you go. You can check that out. Pretty cool. So yeah, I get a lot of different types of products. Not really sure what this is. A seamless shaping boy? What does that mean? You guys see that? A seamless shaping boy. I think somebody accidentally threw this in here. What is this? This is a weird thing to come with dog bowls. I'm glad I videoed this, because no one would ever believe me that this happened. What is this thing? Oh, I think this is like a... Oh, this is like a pair of pants or something. Yeah, definitely didn't agree to this. Maybe that was their play. They call me fat. Maybe that was their play. Maybe their play was like, hey, we're going to send this guy a dog bowl, and then we're going to send him these little tiny shorts. And since it's sold on Amazon, and he makes the videos and makes commission on the video, he'll probably just try it on. And maybe even make a video about it. Which, probably you're right. Probably going to. That's weird. I think they accidentally shipped this. Because I was only supposed to get dog bowls. And actually, yeah, this little label inside is only dog bowls. I got a mystery box and didn't even know it. Now I got some Spanx. Some man Spanx. Some Manx. Alright guys, that's the end of this video before I get in trouble. I'm going to get canceled before I even get started. Thanks for joining for this unboxing of these Amazon products. I'll plan on doing more. Like I said, I get products every single day. So if I have a little time like I do today, I'll make some of those. And because I forget, and maybe you're interested. And then also, if people are like, dude, I'd love to have that product, let me know, because I might just put some mystery boxes together and put them out there. But anyway, there you go. That's okay. Now I gotta go work. Now I gotta go make the videos. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.